Okay, here we are. I want to show you how I fold my long dress. It's long and doesn't fit to my wardrobe. Well, it fit to the other side, but it's full. So now this is my trick. This is how I do. We need to get one hanger, fold it in the bottom, hang it in the bottom, There, hang it nicely so that your dress doesn't get crumpled. See, that one. And this is my trick. You know, that tin can, your drinks, and I save it so I can use it as a recycle, right? So there you go. Easy and quick. And for sure you got plenty of space in your wardrobe then. There. And I get another one. I grab another long dress. There. See? There's still tag. Anyway. So the same procedure. That one. There. And that one again. I have plenty of those. That one. I have plenty of that. And put it there like that. And you have more space on your wardrobe. See? So up to you if you really want to make nicer. Of course, anyone loves our clothes. Hang it nicely, even length, like, I try to fix it. I can fix it later before I'm putting in the wardrobe. It's not even, so I'll do it later. And I grab another one. There. Same. Easy. There. So, there. Up again. That one. And easy. There you go. I hope I give some idea to those who loves their dresses